What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. You know what your iPhone's greatest nightmare is? Going to work naked. So don't let that happen to your iPhone and pick up this RANVOO. This is a soft case. I really love these. I've shown it to you in a couple different colors. Just want to show it to you in one more here because I think this is the one that's probably going to be my personal favorite. As you can see here, they are TPU and they're soft. Ooh, RANVOO right there, kind of laser etched on the edge. And so they provide a ton of protection, but they're not a hard, like tempered glass case. But they are clear, which is really awesome. You get to show off your phone. They have a little air release texture, little bubbles. I'm not sure, little dots in there that make sure that you don't get spots of sticky areas on your glass back. You have molded in buttons for the volume rockers there, cut out for the mute switch, molded in power button, and then, ooh, the RANVOO logo over there. Oh, I guess that was the only one. I thought there was one on both sides. And then cutouts here for the microphone and the speakers, and then the lightning port. Interesting here, they actually have the right number of holes because the iPhone doesn't actually have holes all the way through. Around here too, we also have that silver, very polished chrome-like finish on a little bit of a raised area around the camera housing as well. And then putting the sucker in on the XS Max could not be easier. It is the simplest thing ever. It just flies right in there. So I've said here, this edge is maybe just a little bit higher than the glass, so you probably get a little face protection if you put it down. The holes all line up here. The buttons, you can hear them clicking, all work. It's actually a beautiful match for the chrome on the iPhone. That button works, you can probably hear it clicking. And then you do get a little protection, I think, with this little raised area around the housing for the camera. But I just love it, man, especially on this particular color, which is what I've got. I think it just looks like a factory finish. You get this really nice chrome edge to everything, and man, it looks like metal. And I mean, I don't think that you would think this is like a soft material. I mean, it looks like a tempered glass with a chrome metal bumper on it, but it's soft and will provide you a lot of drop protection. So protect your iPhone and get a lot of style. Pick it up. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda out.